skip and continue. All right, so you have to so let's suppose there is a color combination of yellow. For example, the yellow color is highlighted and there is a yellow color combination is selected over there. Let's suppose I want my color combination to be in the red and orange. So now the color will change accordingly as I choose the color. If you want in the blue color, it will be changed to the blue color. If you want it any other color, then it will change into the any other color. All right, so whatever color you choose, your theme will change its color accordingly. Well, let's just choose in the default color, then continue. We can change it later. And then here you have to click on submit and build my website. When we install it for the first time, this particular starter template asks us for some details. For example, our name, email address, our expertise, and for whom we are creating our or importing this website. So that was a one-time process. So here you have to click on submit and build my website. These are simple steps. So what are the steps? You have to go to the starter template, select a template. All right. Skip and import. Then you have to click on skip and import. Then you have to provide details that you can provide anything. Means you can provide the fake details also, because there's no use of these details. It is just a database that Asta is creating. And then you have to submit. All right. And your template will imported in hardly 1 minute. Less than 1 minute, your template will be imported, and the layout of your website will change accordingly. So see, 90% is already.
So
Yeah.
once again, can you repeat once again, sir, please?
Yeah. See what happens when we install the WordPress. Okay. We have created the WordPress. All right. We logged in. And after login, what we are doing is we have installed a new theme. How we have installed the theme? We go to the appearance and themes. In themes, we clicked on add new theme, and then we searched for the Astra template. We installed it and activated. Along with it, there was an starter template option. We also activated it. Then, then we go to the starter template. We find a theme or business for which we want to create a website. Then we searched on it. We select a template. We select a template. We choose it, and then we installed it. Right? We followed these steps. Then these are all the steps that we have taken till now. And it just took us 36 seconds to completely import that already built template on my current website. Done. Clear till here?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's just remove this, and now let's view our website. So earlier we were having a yoga theme, but now we'll be having the digital marketing theme, the digital marketing agency theme. Okay. See, the complete layout change in just 30 seconds, 36 seconds. So now let's suppose you want to create your own website. So it will hardly going to take you 1 minute to completely import that template on your website. And now what you can do is you can play around this theme and this template to change or edit every content on your website, every content on every page of your website. So what you need is to create an agency, you need some pages: home, services, about, contact us. And if there is a gallery section, if there is a portfolio section, then you can add it over here. Right, then there is an option of get a quote also there that we can add to. And then there is a content. Now from where you can get the content? For content, you can easily take the help of the chat gpt, or you can take an help of the Gemini of the Google. The Google Bard was there earlier, but now it has changed into the Gemini. So you can take an help of the Gemini tool, from where you can take the content from the AI. And here now the thing is, once you import the template, so Once you imported, now comes the part of editing. All right. So let's just understand the structure of the website. Just like we uh, humans have body parts. First we have head, then we have body, then we have foot. All right, just like we humans have. So head is basically used to basically take decisions. Our brain is in the head. Body is complete body that basically looks like it decides our appearance. All right. And footer, that how we walk. All right, how we walk and how we basically replicates where we want to go. So that is the general structure of our body. Same goes with the website. When it comes to the website, same goes with this. There is an header section which makes people navigate to different parts of the website. Then there is a body section which decides the appearance of a website. And then there is a footer section which lets users walk on the various pages or the important pages of the website. There will be a menu section. There will be a logo on the header, right, which clears our identity. For example, if our head also clears or create our identity, so it basically help users to identify us. Similarly, our logo help users to identify our business. So logo will be there, menu option will be there, so as to navigate, help them navigate on the different pages of the website. And on the footer, again there will be an identity with the logo. Then there are important policy pages, right? Sometimes you may get the same menu option, but sometimes you get the different menu options. There are certain important policy pages will be there, right? Because your foot takes you at the place which is safer. Your foot will not going to take you at the place which is a dangerous place. So there is an important policy pages which helps users to go about to read all the things which is legal and illegal. All right, so what are information you are taking, what are your privacy policies, what are all the things that users should keep in mind before they visit to your website. All right, so this is the complete structure. So head, body, and footer. All right, so what happens when we install this template? The body part, this part, we edit with the help of a page builder tool. All right, this is a page builder tool, and this page builder tool is known as the that we are using is the Elementor. All right, Elementor is a very widely used tool throughout the world. It is the most used tool that can help you or that provides you a very high customization options. Otherwise, other page builder tools are also there. For example, WP Bakery. For example, Breezy. All right, Visual Composer. There are other page builder tools too, but for that we are for the time being we are using the Elementor because it is very easy to use. The its interface is very user friendly. All right, and now when we edit our website, what we'll do is body part will be edited by the Elementor, and this header as well as footer part, it will be edited in the customize section. Let customize section, and that's customized section is present in appearance section, appearance in the dashboard. All right, so we'll be editing this header and footer from the customization section, and the body part, the middle part of our website will be edited with the help of Elementor. All right, clear till here?
Yes, sir.
All right, so let me just remove all these things. And okay, so this header section, this menu part, this button part will be changed from the appearance section, that is a customization section. But this header part, this part where there is a background image, the headline, this complete part will be changed through the Elementor, that is a page builder tool. And then there is a footer part, this is the footer part. So this will be changed again with the customization option. All right, so when you are logged to your website and on your home page, you'll be getting this strip active. It is active only when you are logged in. It is not active for the general visitor who are coming to the front end of your website without having a login credentials. So this will be active once you are logged in. Then to change the content, we have to click on edit with Elementor. It will take us to the interface of the Elementor where we can edit the complete details on the pages of our website. There are some more benefits of this Elementor tool also that I'll tell you. That after creating this website, you can just save its template and you can just use this template on a lot of websites. If you are creating the same website for another of the for some another client, and if you have made some changes, then what you can do is you can also use this same template on other client's website. All right. So this is the interface for the Elementor. Now, see, just understand its interface. On the left hand side, you have some options related to the Elementor. All right, there are certain settings where you are getting some options, and this is the Elementor interface. And when you go to any of the option, you will get the three options over here. All right, here and here. So let me show you what are these three options. So let's suppose if I'm coming to here on this, so we are getting content, style, and advanced. So content is the content that you will be adding at this particular section. Then the styling, for example, if you want to change the color, if you want to change the typography, if you want to change the font family, if you want to change the style, so everything you'll be going to get into the style section. Then there is an advanced section. In advanced section, you will be having the adjustment. All right, from margin, padding, and other things. All right, guys. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I'll be back. Just give me a minute. All right. So these are all the things that you're going to get. Now understand this one. Here you'll be getting the options of the section, then elements and columns. All right. This you can also tell us as the containers. Containers are the things which contains all the sections or elements. For example, this complete, you can see the background image. This is the complete container, and inside that container, these are the elements. All right. For example, this main headline, then this content, then the background image. These are all the elements. So let me just remove this. All right. So now if you want to change any of the content, anything on your website, then what you can do, you just simply have to click on that. You'll be getting the option to change this particular thing. For example, if I want to change this text here, so what I can do is I can just click on it, and on the left hand side, I'll be getting an option to change this thing. Okay. Now another thing is the elements that you are changing, you'll be getting it in the shape of the pencil. All right. Suppose if I'll hover on this thing, then there will be an option of the pencil at the end of this here. But if you are changing the content, means the section, you'll be getting three options over here. First is plus symbol. Second is six dots. Three. So these six dots is basically helping you out to identify the edit section, to edit this complete section, and here you'll be getting an option of the cross to delete this section. If you do not want this section, then you can delete it. Okay, so let me show you. Now let's suppose if I want to see the plus six dots and then cross. So edit container, then add container, and then delete container. Now, because this is a complete container where the background image has been placed, so if you want to change the background image, just click on this edit container. Once you click on this, you'll be getting again three options over here: layout of the container, style, and then advanced. Now, if you want to change the background image, come to the style section. Whether you want to add the image, you want to delete the image, background image, font family, color, whatever you want to do for the background, you have to come to the style section. So here is the image. Let's suppose if you want to change this image, choose this image. Go to the media library and you can just upload any of the image, or you can just use any of the image. Let's suppose if I want to use this one. So let's just select it, and your background image will be changed. See, your background image will be changed. Everything will be here. So it is very simple. Once you upload the template, Elementor is very user friendly. You will going all the options to change the content in your website at a very easily manner. Right, so let's suppose this is done. Now if you want to change this content, what you can do is you can just go to the chat gpt and you can just give them a command, or give it a command that I want to create my digital agency website, and for that I need a content for my header section. So you can just change that content. You can just directly tag the content from there. Let's come to the chat gpt. Okay, now because AI is there, so we have to utilize this AI as much as we can. So let's suppose I am creating my digital marketing agency website. For the header section, I need some attractive content. This will include hook line and subheading to get the attention of my client. Also, I need problem statement, or we can say uh, pain pain point and solution for my client in the headline and sub headline form. Done. Now let it just create. So let it just create. Okay, so we'll be getting hook line, subheading, pain point, and solution. All right, so we can use this content. So let me just I'm coming back. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm taking this hook line, unlock your business potential, elevate your brand, expand your reach. So I'm taking this copy, and here what I can do is I can just paste it over here. Done. And see, the size of this is very big. So what I can do is I can just go to the style and just go to the typography. I can just decrease its size. See, we can decrease its size from here. All right, let's just elevate. All right, let's just move it here. Cool. So now it is good. Now let's just take the subheading: strategic digital solutions tailored for your success. This one, and I want to change this. I do not want that much big. So let's just remove this: strategic digital solutions tailored for your success. And see here, find out how I do not want this. All right, I do not want this. So what I can do is there is a pencil symbol. I can right click on it and I can delete it. Okay, so I want this only. So let's just look into the full screen. So this is how my face of the website looks like. Whenever someone enters or landed on my website, so he will going to get this thing: unleash your business potential, elevate your brand, expand your reach, strategic digital solutions tailored for your success. Simple, sober, and easy to convey my message. Now what I want is to create a new section where I can easily communicate this pain point and the solution, trying to stand out in the digital noise. So let's have this new container. So what we can do is we can add a new container. Okay, we have got just a template over here, and if I want to add a new container, I can add it. Click, and here click on plus, and what I want is, first I want an headline, and what my headline will be: struggling to stand out in the digital noise? It is just a question, because once user lands on my website, the second thing he will do is he'll scroll down. So on his scroll down, I want that he'll be facing a question. That will be the pain point, because at the end he's on my website because he's struggling to get the digital presence, the digital results. Alright, so now I want to get it on the center. Come to the alignment, the style section, and then I'll do it in the center. See, it comes to the center. And now behind it, I just want to provide my solution. My solution is, we craft compelling digital narratives to amplify your brand presence. Copy. And now what I want is, I do not want a headline now like this. We have just do the headline. I click on this 9 dots so that we can get all the options from the Elementor. I'll drag this text editor and I'll put it behind once we get the darker background. So that is the best place to drop. Done. And here what I'll do is, I'll just paste it. But it looks very simple. So what I'll do is, we'll go to the style. First align it to the center, and let's come to the text color. I want to keep it in the black, or we can do it in the red, but red it doesn't looks good on the yellow background. So we will be having a darker color, so we can use this color. So that, and the main thing is, if we are creating a website, then first of all we should be having a clear logo, because the complete website will created in terms of logo branding. Okay, so if there are two colors in our logo, so we'll be create our website in the logo color combination. Okay, so if there is a black and red, then our complete website will be in the combination of black and red color. So for the time being, we do not have any logo and we are just learning. So let's suppose if I'm taking into consideration, I'm using three colors: white, black and blue. Okay, so what I'll do is, I have to change this background color, because it is a blue. I'm not using this blue color. I'm using just three colors: white, black and blue. So what I'll do is, I'll click on this section, edit section, and I want to change its background color. So what I'll have to do is, to change the background color, click on sixth section, go to the style section, then there's an option of background. See, create on classic, and here we can choose the color. See, there is a white background color. Similarly, what I can do is, I can change its background color to classic, background type, click on color and white. Right, so that it will, I just want my website to be simple, sober, and where it is conveying the message easily to my clients, easily to my users. All right, so now what I want, it is this one. I want to style it, and let's suppose I want to increase its size, and here also I want it to be the bold. Okay, the family, I want it to be the Arial. I'll choose all the text on my website and I'll change the font family to the Arial, because I want every text on my website to follow a same family. Click on it, and then typography, again Arial. Okay, and here what I can do is, I can also make it bold. Okay, so that we can do here. And now I want to increase the space, because see, the space is very less. It doesn't look good. So what I'll do is, I just click on this section, going to the advanced section, and I'll increase the margin from the top. And but what you are seeing, that the background, see the background, it again comes to the yellow. So because I'm increasing the margin, the background thing is not shifting. So what I'll do is, in that case, what you have to do is, you have to increase the padding, so that it is start getting the gaps from the top section and without having to shift from the background. So let's increase the padding. Now you can see there will be no yellow background, no yellow color. So let's just move it to the 70. Now it's look good. And I want to make this section a attention grabbing section. Okay, so what I can do is, I'll click on this section, coming to the style, and I want this the background color. What you can do, you can also have a gradient like this. So if you want to change its color, I want to take it to the lighter blue, like this, like this. Okay, you can play it around as per your creativity, so you can play it around. For example, if I want this, so now it is just looking a bit different from the previous section, and it will basically attract the attention of my user. All right, so I can also make it just I can also decorate it with some more options in the style section. So what you can do is you can go to the advanced section, and there are other options too. You can see you can add the animation also, motion effects, and here the entrance animation, fade in. Just see, it will look like this. And if you do have some zooming option, zoom in, then it will comes like this. Okay, so you can add some more options too, and accordingly you can also have some other options. Light speed in, it will come like this. And if you want some more options, roll in, it will come like this. Okay, but I personally recommend do not add some means more animations into your website, because it will decrease the speed of your website and it will impact the user experience. Okay, so I'm not using any of the thing, but yes, you can just play around with them. Then what you can do is you can also have its border, you can also have its background overlay, you can also have a shape divider. All right, so what is shape divider? Let's suppose if I want to use this thing, the previous section, I want to divide this shape. For example, this particular section is ending here and this new section is starting from here. If I want to divide its shape, so let's come how it works, you will have an idea. So I want to choose the bottom part because I want to divide the bottom shape. I do not want to divide the top shape. I want to divide the bottom shape. So there are certain options. So you can see, let's suppose mountains. So it looks like this. You want to change or divide the shape in a drop manner. So it will look like this. Okay. If you want it in the form of clouds, it will look like this. If you want it in the zigzag manner, it will look like this. All right. So let's just choose this one again. And let's come to the shape divider and then type, let me show you, clouds. So I think it is like this in the form of clouds. You want it in the pyramids, it will look like in the pyramid format. So you can choose it as per your will. Okay, so that we have chosen. Okay, so now it is happened. Now why hire us for? So if you want to change this content, you can change this content. If you want something to be different, you can hear something to be different. So let's suppose we want to create an about us section, and then we come to the chat GPT, create about us section for my website. So let's suppose I'm giving you some pointers around which you need to create content. uh, Digital marketing agency with 5+ years of experience, worked with 50+ clients, official Google partner. All right, and services offered. Let's suppose website creation, SEO, SMO, SEM, SMM, email marketing. So whatever service you are offering, you can just provide them the content. All right, and yes, this is the content that I want. Let's just enter it, and it will create a content for you. Done, and you can take a content from here, and accordingly you can update. Now, why choose your company? See, it will also provide you this. So here we can do, copy it, come to the Elementor, and here just delete it and paste your content. We welcome to your company name. So here you can have your company name, for example, ABC Digital. Okay. And accordingly, if you feel you need to have some other things, mission vision, let's suppose I want to create a mission vision also. So you can just provide in the command, create mission and vision statements done, and it will create a mission vision statements too. See, just simple copy and paste thing you have to do. Everything is ready. You just have to do the copy and paste. Now let's suppose you want to have an image also. For image, what you can do is you can go to the Pixabay. This platform will going to provide you the HD quality images that will be a royalty free image. You do not have to provide the credits to any of the person, and you can use it for the commercial purpose too. So here I want to search for the digital marketing. Or what you can do is you can have your own, if you do have an offline office, you can just click the pick of your office and you can put that picture over here. For example, let's suppose for the timing I want a picture, this one. All right, but one thing you have to pay attention to, that it is a basically a rectangular pic in a vertical manner, and here it is a horizontal pic, so it will not going to fix properly. But let's just use this. What I am doing is I am downloading in a rectangular manner. Let's download it. All right, let's just change this pic. Choose image, upload file, select file, and choose this image. All right, let's select this. Now it will look like this. Okay, so what we can do is we can also change this background. Go to the edit section, style, and see the yellow color is there. I want to change it to the white. Now it look like this. All right, so that's how you can change the content of your website. Clients you can work with, or clients you have worked with, what you can do is you can just take the logo of your client, you can change the logo. Again, click on the element, you will be getting an option to choose the image. So what you can do is you can upload the logo, you can download the logo, and you can upload the logos from here. Done. So this section will also be changed. What you can do, you can change its background color. Go to the section, choose a background color type, choose color, and change it to the white color. It will look like this. So when you look the complete website now, so it looks like this because it is see the top shape divider will applied on the top part, so we can change it. So it will look like this. See, there's a divider. Now this, hire us for, about us, then clients we have worked for, why choose us, then hire project. Everything you can change. Everything. Done. And once you are done with the changes, what you can do is, let me just first change this top section. Shape divider. Then top. I do not want to use anything. All right. So after you do everything, every changes, what you can do is you just click on this update button so that whatever changes you are making on your website, they go live, and these all will be saved. Right. If you exit before without doing it update thing, then all your changes will not be applicable, and your website will remain at the place where you have just started. Okay. So that's how you can change the complete section, and how to exit from here. Just click on this three bars, click on exit, then click on decide later, and you will come to the page section. Then let's click on, and then click on this here. There will be a W symbol over here. Click on here. We will come to the dashboard. Then now we are on the pages section. Let's suppose if I want to create a new page. Okay, so I want to create a new contact us page. So how you can save your time with that also. So again, there is a hack that you can do. Let's suppose I want to create a new page. That will be the services section. Let's suppose I want to create a new page for the service section. So again, when you create a new page, you will be landing on this page. You do not have to create a page from here. Just click on edit with Elementor. Right. Again, Elementor dashboard will be open. So instead of creating from the scratch, we are not, we'll be using a hack, a smart hack. Okay. Now let's take another case study. We are creating this page for the advertisement purpose. And for advertisement purpose, there will be a landing page. Okay. And in landing pages, you might have noticed that that landing pages do not have this menu options and this footer section. I do not want this. I want a complete blank page where no menu option and footer section will be there. So how you can do it? Just click on this setting option on the bottom there will be a settings option. Click on it. Then there is an option of page layout. Click on Elementor Canvas. So that will be a complete blank page, no footer option, no menu option, no header section. So completely blank page. Now you can create this particular page or you can design your this page as per your wish. Now the second part, because we are creating a new page for our service section. Let's suppose we are creating a new page for the service section, and we do not want to create it from the sketch because we are running out of time and we have to deliver this. And again we have to create a very good page, good design page. So in that case what you can do is there are other starter templates from where we have picked the template. We go to there and we can import a single page also. Here you will be having a symbol of S. Click on this, click on this, and here we are on the pages. And in page section what we can do is, let's just first choose the free. And now what I want is I want to have a service page. Search for the service. All right, now we are having the service pages. So what I can do is I can just look out for the, I can import the page from other templates too. Right now we have just import a single template, but we can import the page from other templates too. So let's see. Let's just change it to the free. All right, let's see other service pages. So let's suppose I want this page. This page, I like this page. There's the other options. So what I can do is I can import this page. Click on this page. So just look this page, how it looks. So I want this page. This particular photo section will not be imported, and this header section will not be imported. So don't worry about it. What you can do is once you click on this page, click on this import template. This complete page will be imported in just a few minutes, in just few seconds, in fact. And now what we can do is we can edit this content, this complete content we can edit. So you can see how easy it is to create a website with a highly customization option with so many options, and that too in a very less time. That's why we are using the WordPress. And let it just import it, and then we'll be doing the editing as usual that we are doing on the Elementor option. So it will take some time, but no problem. Let it just import it. All right. So the complete page has been imported. Now see, what you can do is you can just do the editing as your part. If you want to change the background image, click on the edit section, come to the style, and here you can change the background image. All right. If you do not want the background image, just remove this, delete it. And if you want to change the color, you can just change the color from here. See, as simple as that. No jargons are there, no codings are there, simple drag and drop. And now it totally depends upon your creativity that how you are playing around it. All right. The more you explore these options, the more new ideas, new thoughts you will be getting in your mind, and more thoughts, more creative you become, the more you will going to implement it on your work. And the more better your work, the more clients you will attract after showing your work. All right, so you are free. And see, we are not investing anything apart from investing in the domain hosting, that is just the basic requirement. But after that we are not investing anything. So if, let's suppose if a client comes to you and he wants to get his website built up, so what you can do is you are offering these things, and you will say that okay, I'm charging 9,000, but just provide me the domain hosting and I'll create a website in just 9,000. Okay, because domain hosting he has to invest, and that complete 9,000 will be your core profit. And let's suppose if you are just asking for 5,000 or 6,000 in starting, then this will be your complete profit. You do not have to invest any single penny to create his website. So that is the power. That is the thing. That is the knowledge that you need to acquire. And again, I'm saying do not prematurely jump into the website creation process, because there are certain things that you should know. There are certain things that you should practice first. Okay. Once you have a confidence, okay, now you have a practice, now you have the knowledge, because you have created some dummy websites for yourself, then only you can show them the work, and then you can just jump into this work. Okay, so before earn, just learn things, learn and then earn. Clear till here?
Yes, sir.
All right. So that is the main thing that I wanted to teach. In our next class, I'll be explaining some more options on the website, where how to add the menu section, how to just customize the menu section, how to customize the footer section, how to add menu, how to remove menu, how to add the block section, what are the settings of the WordPress, that I'll be discussing in the next class. Till then, practice till here. And if you feel you do have any doubt, just let me know.
Sure, sir.
All right. So let's wrap up our class till here. And I just wanted to make this complete class means a completely practical, completely knowledgeable, so that you do have a clear knowledge. Whatever there is in the market, however the work is done in the market, I'll be teaching you in that manner. All
Okay,
right.
sir.
All right,
Oh,
guys. So let's just meet in our next class. Till then, practice till here, and in our some starting minutes, we'll be taking some doubts, and then we'll be moving towards the final parts or the other parts of this website creation.
okay, sir.
Thank you very much, guys. Good night, everyone. Let's meet.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
All right.
Shaurav, are you
Yes.
there?
Yeah.
Shaurav, previous class I have not attended, so can I take your number because I want to take notes and so आप मुझे help करेगी?
I will, yes, I will help you. But what I'm saying is that the classes are there on the portal itself. Like I am talking about the recordings. Recordings are there. Means it is uploaded. The classes recordings are uploaded on the website. You must have the login access, like the username and password. That when you have taken admission.
नहीं like
Hmm.
I want to get your contact number so that I can contact you, and if I get any like doubt regarding on particular thing, so that I can contact you in these days. So that's why I'm asking you.
Yeah, sure. I can provide you, but I can provide you my contact number. No issue in that.
Okay. Can you please?
Okay, right now you want?
Feel free, you can.
Yes, yes. So my WhatsApp number 8459
84
59
59
263
263
996.
996. Once again, I'm saying, just I'm repeating, just listen. 8459
Huh?
8459
Yes,
26
263.
996.
Yes, right. And your number 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, take down.
Yes, you can tell. Hello? Hello?
Sorry. Yes. Yes, sir, sure. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, audible.
Okay, take down my number.
Hmm.
80
Hmm.
195.
195.
Yeah, 195
Hmm.
2251 22511.
22511.
Yeah.
8019522511.
No. 511. That's it. Not double five.
No, I am repeating 8019
Hmm?
522511.
Yeah. Okay, Sharo. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Rohit sir. Good night, sir.